In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Gempages Shopify Page Builder. To get started, the first thing you need to do is install Gempages from the Shopify App Store. This gives you access to the page builder directly inside your Shopify store, so you can begin creating custom pages without coding. Once the app is installed, go into your Shopify admin and open Online Store, then Themes, then Customize. Inside the theme editor, look for App Embeds and turn Gempages on. This step is important because it allows the app to work properly with your theme and makes sure the pages you build can display as expected on your storefront. After that, open the Gempages app and click Create New Page. This is where you begin building your page. You will then choose the type of page you want to create. For example, you might select a landing page, a product page, a home page, or another available option depending on what you want to design. Choosing the correct page type helps Gempages give you the right layout structure and tools for that page. Next, choose how you want to start your design. You can select a ready-made template if you want something fast and polished, or you can use the AI Image to Layout tool to generate a design based on an image. This can be helpful if you already have a visual direction in mind and want a quicker starting point. Once your page is open in the editor, use the left sidebar to drag and drop elements onto the canvas. You can add things like headings, images, and buttons to build the structure of your page. The editor is visual, so you can place items where you want them and shape the layout in a very direct way. If you are creating a product-related page, use the Shopify Elements option to bring in dynamic store data such as product price or an Add to Cart button. This is especially useful because it connects the design to real Shopify content instead of using static placeholders. For product pages, make sure to click Assign Products so the design is linked to the correct items in your store. When everything looks the way you want, click Save and then Publish. Saving stores your progress, and publishing makes the page live so visitors can access it. That covers everything you need to know.